Okay, we are starting from here. This TV console.
Okay, now TV console.
Yes, now TV console we can do for this very house.
Okay.
Yeah. So this place now, if you come close, this one now one of our viewer.
Yes.
Now give me from Edo Talk Show.
Okay.
The video we filmed make before. Now one of our viewer. Now it is here. So you can say we do exactly that design, but different color.
Okay, different.
Yeah.
color.
If you see the combination, you see now dark gray, and this one yours it did make very beautiful.
Okay.
And that other first one, the design we just come up with, it just did sharp.
Okay.
And it's very excellent. Like this place, this one a profile glass.
Profile glass.
Yeah, profile glass. You see how the way the light they reflect for inside.
Okay.
So this one push and open.
Okay,
So
push
you
and
want to do the stress yourself to the opener, and I just push and you open.
Wow.
So this one a dry. This one a dry also. So here now here they put cables and DSTV and all. So that's why I done there like this.
Okay.
So no need to distress yourself. Now just to touch and
You just open.
open am. Then come close. May I show you this glass. If you observe inside, you see the way the glass, the light they reflect
Yes.
for inside. Then inside you can see stone.
My system.
Yeah, stones there inside.
Okay.
So now the way the owner just take need and so we take bring her out
Okay.
to this stage.
Okay.
So this one a floated panel.
Okay. Footed
Yeah,
panel.
all around. Yes, floated panel.
Okay. Now from down to here.
Yeah, from down to up. Yes.
Okay. Like which material they do this?
Okay, like this one. This one are HDF.
Okay.
Yeah,
HDF.
normal HDF. Then this one, this place they hang the TV put. This one are acrylic.
Okay. This one are acrylic.
Yes, HDF acrylic. You see where they shine. Like
HDF acrylic.
Yeah, you feel
But
so
it resembles the HGF now.
exactly. Not the same material, but different. They say this one is shine, and they come with nylon.
Okay.
If you observe here now, you see say they don't almost put the nylon finish. If you see now, you see say nylon sit there.
Okay.
So now they know.
Okay, if you want to differentiate acrylic and HGF. Okay, acrylic they carry
Yeah,
cellophane.
they carry cellophane.
HGF no they carry cellophane.
Yes.
But which stone pass for inside?
No,
Are they not the same material?
Not the same material, the same texture.
Okay.
Those are the different, just the way they shine.
Okay.
And that one they more expensive than normal HDF.
Okay, because it carry
Yeah,
cellophane.
because it carries cellophane.
Then it can cost.
Yeah, they
Just like a tile, they say super polish and
Exactly,
glaze.
and glaze. There are two
Okay.
difference.
So now this TV console do here?
Yes, we do mini wine bar here.
Okay, mini wine bar.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
If you see, this one are just mini portable wine bar.
And the light see the inside.
Yes, light see the reflect from inside, so that if you just put your drink, your wine, your azul, your other things, you see,
Azul, that one a big money that is that one.
you see, say the light you just dey reflect from inside.
Wow.
Then you just dey use for this your dining area.
Wow.
So the thing,
And with put a panel too.
yeah, we put a floated panel to do the design
Okay.
all round.
Okay, like this very one, okay. This wine, how you call a wine bar.
Yeah, wine bar.
Like how much cost you now?
Okay, we calculate everything together.
Okay, we calculate everything.
Yes, we calculate everything together.
Okay.
Both this this mini wine bar and this TV console.
Okay, both this
Yeah, TV console
and the wine.
the wine bar is going for 1.3.
Okay,
1.3 million. Yeah, the reason why I reach 1.3 now because of this profile glass.
Okay.
Yeah, this profile glass, everybody knows say it's expensive.
Like how many ml glass is this one?
This one are 5 ml glass.
Okay, 5
Yes,
ml glass.
Yes. Profile glass.
Okay,
It's
profile.
expensive.
Okay,
so the
expensive.
owner need and I tell me say I put profile glass.
Okay, I say it's expensive, now that means it goes strong.
Yes, it
That's why
does.
they don't have got to put now.
No need for you to come the knack bottle they put now.
Because I say that profile, that means they not go to not go die.
Na profile glass.
Okay.
And here now where they put all those your flower, your award, your different designs of your can.
Yes.
For you go bring out the beauty of this this very place.
Okay.
Yes.
So, Oga Furniture Man, what you done?
Yeah, my name still remain the same. Gostem, the CEO of GT Best Furniture.
Let me talk to you. So, my name is Usami. So, you said the owner, CEO.
Yes, for our previous video, yes.
Okay, from Edo Talk Show.
See, indoor search. Say now this particular one, when you just see for this Edo Talk Show, say now he like, and he say he must give me. He don't tell when this client come, when he don't come in, I don't come this house, come check work.
Okay.
So he say now me go still do this work, and true, he still come up with this work also.
Okay. Like what you would like tell the person?
Okay, I want to sincerely appreciate the person when give me this work. I say God will bless you.
Amen.
God will refill your pocket more abundantly. The pocket when you take bring that money, come on, will take do this work. You will never run dry.
Amen.
In Jesus' mighty name.
Amen. So, Oga Furniture Man. Now this one I dey ring for people now because I see POP TV stand.
Okay, those POP, that one is outdated. That one not the.
That one not dey form again.
No.
No, why they talk that one? Because you say during dry season,
yes.
The matter, so you see stand like this kind of matter come dey blow like no come dey come up for water.
Nothing like that. Nothing like you see the way you're be now, so you'll be.
No, some matter dey drag something. No.
The one I even do last 2 years, I don't see go work for that same person. I do it be, and so it be. So nothing they change.
Okay, nothing go change.
Nothing they change. Yes, we don't already matter for work.
Okay.
So now so it just be.
Okay, like how many weeks take you to do this work here?
Okay, like this very one now, it take us just 2 days.
2 days.
Yes.
But you from do all the way from your shop, Karakon.
No. Now you for doing.
Like you take it 2 days.
Yes, now you for take doing.
Okay.
Yes. So no, let's do for store. Okay. So like this one, I just to take the measurement. So we the arrange them one after the other. So we will just come up with exactly this design.
So you will see tell about the amount again, this and the wine bar.
Okay. The TV console and the wine bar, it cost the owner 1.3 million naira.
1.3 million naira.
Yes, sir.
So part of this job, what way is the render what they do? Just later on.
Okay, apart from TV console, we dey do kitchen cabinet.
Okay, kitchen
cabinet. We dey do wardrobe.
Okay.
Those big one with the mat for sets. We dey do all those one. We dey do executive chairs.
Okay, executive.
Yeah, we dey do dining. We dey do bed. So anything wey concern furniture, we dey do everything.
Part of Benin, you say, if they do
outside. Yeah, even currently now, they would do work now. We say we don't carry go Agbod now.
Okay,
they would carry go Lagos. Any state at all, we dey work.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, you go call your phone number when our extreme graffiti issue.
All right, my number still remain the same: 081 48 34 33 85.
Call them again.
081 48 34 33 85.
Okay.
So the other one they go display on for screen for you.
My people, I Christopher for the time when I tell you watch this video.